Good morning. I'm Dan Graham. I'm the developer of ETM, and this is another in the series of short videos aimed at introducing the various features of ETM. Today I want to talk about the date time calculator. This is activated by pressing F6, and this is what pops up. So the idea here is that you enter an expression of the form x plus or minus y. X has to be a date time. Y, if we're dealing with a plus, can be a time period, or if we're dealing with a minus, can either be a time period or a date time. I can subtract one date time from another and get the difference, the period between the two. So anyway, as an example, I'm taking a flight that leaves Raleigh-Durham, and I have the departure time, and arrives in Paris, and I have the arrival time, and I'd like to compute the flight time. So to do this, I'm going to take the arrival time in Paris and subtract the departure time in Raleigh-Durham. So here is the arrival time in Paris, 7:45 a.m. on April the 7th. And I'll subtract the departure time, which is 5:30 p.m. on April the 6th in the local time zone. Voila, 8 hours and 15 minutes. Now I can turn this around, compute it I compute the arrival time in Paris by adding the flight time to the departure time in Raleigh-Durham just to confirm the calculation. So here's the departure time in the local time zone. I'll add the 8 hours and 15 minutes, and then I'll express the result in Paris time. Voila, 7:45 Paris time. Everything checks. That's it for today. Thanks.